Hey there! Today we're diving into a fascinating problem that can occur when working with arrays of different data types in C++. The problem we're tackling revolves around the compiler output when using either a uint32_t or uint64_t index to access elements in an array. Now, let's get into the solution for this intriguing problem. In a uint32_t version, the compiler has to ensure that the 64-bit index aligns correctly with the 64-bit base address of the array. Since the upper 32 bits of the RSI register are not guaranteed to be 0, an extra instruction is needed to clear them. This results in the generation of a MOV-EX-ESI instruction to handle this scenario efficiently. *** solution. *** in contrast, when using a uint64_t index, there's no need to worry about the upper bits being 0. This allows the compiler to skip the extra MOV instruction and directly access the array element with the 64-bit index in a more optimized manner. In summary, we've explored a scenario where using a uint64_t index can lead to more efficient compiler output compared to using a uint32_t index. Understanding how the compiler handles different data types during array indexing can help optimize code for better performance. And with that, I'll wrap up here. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts until next time.